Operation video of HVZRZN-3072, a transformer winding resistance tester. Wiring. Thick red wire connects to the positive current terminal of C1. Thin red wire connects to the positive voltage terminal of P1. Thick black wire connects to the negative current terminal of C2. Thin black wire connects to the negative voltage terminal of P2. Clamp clip to the tested transformer. Wiring complete. Power on to test. Already power on. Click the test button to start test. Wait for a moment. Test results are stable now. Test complete. Discharging in progress. Test status. Discharging. Test status. Test complete. Click Save. Save completed. Can power off now. OK. Demonstration complete.
Thanks for watching the tutorial video prepared by HD Yoga Manufacturing.